Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how we can delete draft on InShot application. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our InShot application on our phone and we can go to the video section. And here are the draft that I have made on my InShot application. And if you want to choose the all draft we have made, we can click on this draft option. Then if we want to delete the draft, we can select the draft first. We can click on select and select the draft that you want to delete from your InShot. And I'm gonna go with this one and this one as well. Okay, and if you want to delete all your draft, you can select all. Then we can click on delete option right here to delete the draft. Then click on delete. Okay, and now the draft have been deleted from my InShot application, as you can see. And I guess that's how we can delete draft on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.